बहुत फ़ायदा होगा। आज हमने 20 से 25 लोगों को अवार्ड दिए हैं। कई स्टेट से लोग आए हैं, जैसे राजस्थान से आए हैं और छत्तीसगढ़ से आए हैं, मध्य प्रदेश से आए हैं। तो इन स्टेट्स को हमने अवार्ड किया और कुछ वॉलंटियर्स हैं जिनको हमने सम्मानित किया है, जिन्होंने अपनी अपनी फील्ड में बहुत अच्छा काम किया है और इससे उनको एक इंस्पिरेशन मिलती है आगे बढ़ने की। और प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी जी भी ये चाहते हैं कि जितनी भी टूरिज़्म को बढ़ाया जाए और आगे बढ़ा जाए, हमारे देश की तरक्की है, क्योंकि उसमें सिर्फ मेरी तरक्की नहीं है, सारे देश की तरक्की है। ये मोदी जी का कहना है और मैं उन्हीं की लाइन्स पे जा रहा हूँ। और मैं हर अपने इवेंट में ये बोलता हूँ कि जो मोदी जी जैसे प्राइम मिनिस्टर अगर हमारे देश में हो तो देश की तरक्की तो पक्की है ही। महाकुंभ भी चल रहा है और इसके पीछे भी योगी जी ने जो महाकुंभ किया है, मोदी जी का भी आशीर्वाद उसमें रहा होगा, क्योंकि तभी इतनी हिम्मत करके योगी जी ने भी ये इवेंट किया है और पीछे से उनको भी बैकिंग है मोदी जी की कि ये टूरिज्म को बढ़ावा। हमारी ये कमेटी होती है तो ये और जिन लोगों को अवार्ड नहीं मिला है उन लोगों को इससे ये पता लगता है कि वो भी एक अच्छा काम करें जो वो कर रहे हैं, बट थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ें किसी तरीके से कि उनका भी सपोर्ट की लिस्ट में नाम है।
कैसे क्या करें, क्या करते हैं?
अगर कोई होटलियर है तो वो अच्छी सर्विस दे अपने क्लाइंट को, उसके रूल्स का ध्यान करे, उसके खाने का ध्यान करे, उसको रिस्पेक्ट दे और उसका आदर सत्कार ऐसे करें कि जैसे भगवान उसके घर पे आया है। तो ये सारी जो चीज़ें हैं अगर वो करते हैं, उन सब चीज़ों से हमारे को पब्लिक का फीडबैक मिलता है और उस फीडबैक से हम ये मतलब देखते हैं कि कौन सा होटल को इस चीज़ का
I am the general manager of Bird Habitat in Jaipur and I'm heading the property for the last 2 years. And I'm really glad and honored to be presented with general manager of the year for Jaipur region at this prestigious event. This event means a lot. You know, this is the epitome and where all the industry comes in. And this is one of the pioneers of water. In India, they started the hospitality world. It means a lot coming from the industry to recognize the efforts that we are doing. So I'm really thankful to the Kalra family and to the whole industry in particular of recognizing and giving us this opportunity. Thank you. हाँ सर, थोड़ा पीछे आप इसको थोड़ा पीछे।
I am Pankaj Mehra from the White Hotels Katra, a member of Radisson Edible Hotels. We are a managed property by Radisson Hotel Group. So it is our immense pleasure to receive this award from Mr. Kalra and his company. And this award is actually for my general manager. So I am here on his behalf to receive. I am so grateful to Mr. Kalra and the team, hospitality team. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Jai Mata Di.
Namaskar everyone. Thank you very much. It is such a pleasure to be here on this wonderful evening and occasion. Directly here in India. It means a lot to us. I represent Society by and today we complete 13 magnific years in this beautiful city of dreams, in this beautiful city of Mumbai, and it's an honor to receive this award on behalf of Society. Thank you very much, Mr. and Mrs. Kalra. Thank you very much, Hospitality India, for continuously recognizing the industry and continuously motivating all of us associated with the hospitality industry. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Namaste everyone. It's a pleasure and honor to be a part of this lovely event and being recognized for my work. I represent the ITC Maratha, being at the Hospitality India Award, which is conducted by Mr. Kalra. Highly honored.
First of all, I feel honored to be here. Myself, Anjeet Kumar Sharma. I am the CEO of Ananda Holidays, the best DMC in India for Char Dham Yatra, and we want to give deep hearted thanks to Mr. Suneet Kalra to recognize our efforts to be best player for Char Dham Yatra. Thank you so much.
My name is Rajiv Kumar. I'm the area general manager for the Fun Hotels and Resorts, and I take care of Goa region. Privileged to get the best area general manager of the award for the Goa region in our 8th Hospitality India. Very thankful to Mr. and Mrs. Kalra for obliging and recognition of this prestigious award, and would like to be part of an association with Hospitality India forever. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
This is Nidhi from Newman Hospitality. I'm part of this today event. The event, as always, has been very exciting, interesting. Got a chance to meet some of the renowned people in the industry, and we have a good networking session. In fact, the awards have given a lot of motivations to awardee, and I'm sure it will keep going like this always. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yourself,
I'm Sunil Kumar. I'm the president of the Travel Agents Association of India.
tell me today's award, sir.
I'm so delighted to be at the Hospitality India Awards of Mr. Sunit Kalra. This is an event that has been happening consistently for a long period of time. As Thai, we were always associated with him. We encourage him to take up this wonderful event that acknowledges and recognizes accomplished leaders in hospitality industry. And Thai is really delighted that we've been able to associate with them this year. And thank you, Kalraji, for inviting me and making me an important associate of this event.
Thank you, sir. Introduce yourself.
Yeah, good evening. My name is Randir Gupta, and I'm the Vice President Commercial and Business Development with Mayfair Hotel and Resorts. I've been associated with Sunit Bhai and Rajni ma'am for a very long time, and believe me, the Hospitality India Awards are one of the best awards, well recognized in the industry, and I've been privileged to be part of it, and I wish them a great success ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Hi, I am Rajan Saigal, part of the travel and tourism industry and very closely associated with Hospitality India. I represent Travel Agents Association of India. I am the chairman for Public Relation Council, also the president for India Golf Tourism Association, and I work with various chambers like FICCI, PhD Chamber of Commerce, Bengal Chamber of Commerce. I am co-chair for the tourism committee, and the function which Hospitality India is doing, the award show, it's a motivation for the travel and tourism hospitality industry, and whatever they do in Delhi and in Mumbai, it's a big inspiration. People work very hard, so they get this prestigious award, and I wish them a good luck for the future also. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Come yourself.
I can only talk about my name. Rest, I have no idea what I have to talk. My name is Punish B. Sharma. I am the Vice President for the Operations West for Fun Hotels and Resorts. This event is something which I actually have looked forward for it now. The time when they started, now it has got something, it has got embedded into me. It's such a pleasure to see what Sunit does is that you pick up the gems out of this place and then you actually don't award them. It's a reward which is being given to those people who are for working for years and years. वो लगता है कि आपने शायद 10 मिनट के अंदर किसी को एक अवार्ड देके उसको कुछ ताली बजाई, लेकिन उसके 10 साल लगे होते हैं. So I have never called it. मैं सुनीत को I have been telling that this is not award, this is a reward for all these people. So I have my salute to this guy, what he's been doing it out on this thing.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. Ma'am, introduce yourself.
I'm Rajni Kalra. I organize this event year after year. This is our 9th event, 9th coffee table book launch and 8th event of Hospitality India in Mumbai. Otherwise, we are doing this event from last 20 years in Delhi. That's my introduction.
किस तरह से होता है ये अवार्ड फंक्शन? क्या किस तरह आप चूज करते हो कैटेगरी?
See,
क्या होता है इसमें?
अब तो सब रेवेन्यू बेस्ड है. जिस होटल का रेवेन्यू अच्छा है, he is the winner. Apart from that, the references which we receive, that to work. That's all.
आज कितने लोग कहाँ से लोग आए थे? कितने लोगों को दिया गया?
Everywhere, from Jammu Kashmir to Jaipur to from Goa, all parts of India were there. सारे आए थे, almost.
एमपी का पोस्ट ऑप्शन लगा, इसकी खास कोई वजह है एमपी की?
आप मुझे बताइए. अगर आप एमपी नहीं गए तो कहीं नहीं गए सर. अगर आप एमपी नहीं गए तो कहीं नहीं गए. इतना ब्यूटीफुल। आपने टाइगर्स कहाँ कहाँ देखे हैं? हम कितनी सारी जगह जाते हैं, जिम कॉर्बेट जाते हैं, बहुत सारी जगह जाते हैं, मैंने सिर्फ कान्हा में देखा है। So MP is very important for me and it is center of India. It is the largest, one of the largest states in India. And जितना सुंदर हॉर्टिकल्चर इनका है और किसी स्टेट का नहीं है।
अब बात करें महाकुंभ की, आपने मैंने टेबल बुक देखी, मैं महाकुंभ की क्या कुछ कहेंगे उस बुक के बारे में, क्या कुछ फैसिलिटी दे रहे हैं आप लोग, क्या है?
जब राम मंदिर लॉन्च हुआ था, ये बहुत बड़ी बात है कि इंडिया को अब लोग पिलग्रिम टूरिज़्म के लिए जानने लग गए हैं। नहीं तो लोग वेटिकन सिटी, लॉर्ड्स उसको जानते थे। अभी इंडिया इज़ बिकम बिगेस्ट पिलग्रिम डेस्टिनेशन एंड इट इज़ द क्रेडिट गोज़ टू मोदी जी, आवर प्राइम मिनिस्टर योगी जी। I mean, it's huge big thing happening. I am trying to go to Kumbh from last 2 months, book myself in a good place. It's not possible. Today, thanks to Madhya Pradesh Tourism, they are organizing it for me. So, Mahakumbh ki to India is on another calendar now because of that.
लेकिन भयभीत डर लग रहा है कि कल जो हादसे हुई, परसों जो हादसे हुई है,
अब आप मुझे बताइए, अगर कहीं की कैपेसिटी 10 लोगों की है और वहाँ पे 100 जाएं और लोग ना समझी करें तो किसको दोष दिया जाए? इट इज़ वेरी अनफॉर्चुनेट। आई फील, मैंने देखा तो मेरे आंखों में आंसू थे, बट व्हाट टू से, ट्रेजेडीज़ डू हैपन, स्टैम्पीड्स हैपन। आप बड़े बड़े सिंगर्स के वहाँ जाते हैं जहाँ पे इसका 1/4 क्राउड भी नहीं होता और ये हो जाता है, तो भीड़ को काबू रख पाना इज़ अ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टास्क। एंड आई विल स्टिल गिव कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स टू CM योगी। इज़ डन अ ब्रिलियंट जॉब। इट इज़ नॉट ईजी टू ऑर्गेनाइज इन प्रयागराज व्हाट ही इज़ डन।
For Royal Orchid and Regenta Hotel. Royal Orchid and Regenta Hotels presents 117 operating hotel in India, Nepal and Sri Lanka. And as you know, India is growing economy and as well as the hospitality. We are encoding our first upscale 5-star property next to T2 at Mumbai airport. And it is likely to start by second week of April, and really very well. We are the first operator, a luxury operator in Mahakumbh. Mahakumbh we are doing a dome city and it is doing really very very well. So thanks to CM Yogi for UP and promoting a tourism in Kumbh, and of course Prime Minister Modi, who is always supportive to tourism industry. We operate this company from past 55 years. Our chairman managing director is Mr. Chandar K. Balji, and it was his vision to do homegrown Indian hospitality. So we are the only hotel company in India which is a stock exchange and homegrown hospitality brand. So we understand Indian psych, mentality, requirement, the guest needs, and therefore we had grown up from 3 hotels in Bangalore initially and Mysore to 117 today, and by end of this year we'll have 165 hotels in India, Nepal and Sri Lanka.
Okay, all right. Thank you, sir. Roll. Please introduce yourself, ma'am.
Hi, Namaste. I'm Shraddha Chhatri from Nepal. So basically I am right now the managing director of the MICE Connection. Previously I was working as acting CEO in Nepal Association of Tour and Travel Agents, NATA, in Nepal. So I'm here to represent Nepal. Well, no, needless to say, Nepal is a really beautiful place. Adventure seekers, thrills and luxury, wellness, wildlife, whatnot, you get it. Just imagine you having a backdrop in the behind, sharing your vows as a wedding destination, or like having a golfing program over there, or like you having your special moments over there for trekkers to like when you are in the land you can go to the, we do have almost like 10 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, and not to forget Nepal is the birthplace of Buddha and also goddess Sita, and also like we have a very smallest lowest point Ketchanakaval to the highest, not to forget Mount Everest also. And the holiest Pashupatinath, of course, who can forget. And also we have a very what do we say, our living goddess Kumari. You can get darshan of Kumari also. So luxury, casino, clubs, best clubs, entertainment, whatever, and Nepal has everything to offer. I would really love to invite you, those who have already come, please come again to Nepal because naturally Nepal and once is not enough.
थैंक यू
Thank you.
चलिए